Yep, sanibonani bafethu. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel bafethu. Yeah bafethu. Nangu uSaleng bafethu. Abantu abangazi ukuthi uSaleng why is not playing or why what happened to Saleng. Let me explain to you. Saleng came to Pirates bafethu ne. I-appearance yakhe ku-Pirates yatshintsha izinto ey'ningi before aboMfukeng, before aboTito, before yonke le nonsense yabo-China yabo bani bekunoSaleng lapha. Saleng was the only guy who defeated i-Sundowns. I-Sundowns when it was the best Sundowns. Saleng was the only guy okhona ukudefeater i-Sundowns. So Saleng apparently ufune imali extra yabo for i-performance yakhe since vele abona naye ukuthi I have been performing. Pirates ayizange imgaye leyo mali. Apparently Saleng was not happy about it because Umchita is playing football to help his family. It's not just playing football ukuthi ufuna ukuchaza abantu i-owner ye-Pirates. No, to help his family. But if the money he's earning is not helping him, why should he stay there? Then that's where the problem yaqala. That's where the problem yaqala. Bamreplace ngoNkotha. Everything leyo Nkotha umbona ayitholile befanele ngabe itholwa uSaleng. Even ukuthi uNkotha bamthengise to what la bamthengise khona bekufanele ngabe kuhamba uSaleng, but they can't yabo. So how would you feel bafethu uyi-player ufuna imali yokuthi nawe ukhona ukuphila, uphilise ifamily yakho, but abantu bakubhadala imali yokuthi iya esiswini kuphela, hand to mouth, hand to mouth. Basically mawudlalela i-Pirates you can't be rich. Ngikhomba iplayer eli-one eli-rich elidlalela i-Pirates alikho. Serious. You can't show me anyone odlalela i-Pirates o-rich, even ungayaphi. Abantu aba-rich laba basuka kwamanye ama-team, basuka ku-Sundowns, aboSipho Mbule, they had money. The rest of Pirates is broke, they are playing for the badge. Imagine udlalela i-badge wena ulambile leso sikhathi bakutshela ukuthi wena hayi dlalela i-badge ulambile. You want to build 5 houses this year, you can't because udlalela ini i-badge. So that's the problem uSaleng ungeke umbone naku-squad, and ku-squad befanele ngabe siyambona guys, let's be honest. Let's be honest, siyazi uSaleng is capable of what? Abantu bathi akadlali mos. Akadlali, uyadlala uSaleng ngo-Obit. If uHugo Broos angakhona ukubiza ubani lo mchita uSibiso ongadlali ku-Pirates. Sibiso the whole fucking season akadlalanga ku-Pirates, you can check. Mara ku-squad ukhona. Why? Because kunonto lapha kunoMkhelele, Helman Mkhelele we-Pirates is i-assistant yaka Hugo Broos. Why? So that angabhlokha ama-player lawa ahambe ku-Pirates without Pirates concern bafethu. Abo-Lorch, abo-Saleng. You can't bafethu ukuthi siphanishe umuntu for into ayenze as ethimini simphanishe naku-national team. Hayi, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. This is wrong. Football mafias. Football mafias must be like Umkhwanazi must even intervene kule ndaba lezi, because we have people exploiting intwana encane, and mazingasafuni kumsebenzela they are getting threats. Phela you are threatening someone's career. Yabo uSaleng uzosuka ku-Pirates ngo-2027 cabanga. 2027 they even forge i-signature yakhe to ukuthi bani bayenzeni bavuse i-deal eye-1 year or eye-2 years, so that Saleng was supposed to be a free agent maybe 2026, but the Pirates yasayina bathi yini lento le ngiyayikhohlwa, but I don't know what to say it, but i-Pirates exercise leyo right leyo ukuthi extend i-contract yakaSaleng. Meanwhile uSaleng u-earna 18,000 after tax, futhi uzo-earna 18,000 up until 2027 bafethu. Is that fair? Is that fair? Let's be honest bafethu, mina ngifuna sibe honest and umuntu wala eSouth Africa le. If Sundowns imiyekile uRibeiro bafethu wazihambela. If Sundowns imiyekile uRibeiro wazihambela. Just like that, zero money, zero next. Why Pirates ingafuni ke abadlali bahambe? Why? Hayi bafethu hayi. Ngiyazi ngisapota i-Pirates mara lena hayi bafethu. Imagine siya ku-World Cup nabo Nkotha, aboSaleng, nabo-Lorch bakhona. Hayi vele siyodliwa la siyakhona. Shuthi sijabulele ukuthi sikhwalifayile. Hhayi, hhayi sina-mentality yokuwina bafethu, hhayi sijabulele ukuthi sikhwalifayile siyobona iBafana Bafana idliwe e-America. Hayi mfethu. Yazi let's be honest, if i-Sundowns ne beyino-Lorch noSaleng kuleya World Cup, I think beyingafika igame yobusingakhi 3, 4, 5 bengadlala 4, 5 games lapha. Imagine sino-Lorch, sinoSaleng bafethu, sinoTebogo Mokoena, sino-Patrick Maswanganyi, mfethu uyayibona iyahlanya, sinabo-Reiners lapha phambili laphana, sinabo-Grobler lapha phambili, emuva sinabo mfethu, sinabo Mdau, sinayo yonke yabo-Grant. But uHugo Broos ufuna ukuthi sihambe siye ku-World Cup, siye ku-World Cup sihambe nabo Nkotha nabo Mbokazi, abantu abayothola ama-red card le. Abantu abangana-experience abadlala ngenhliziyo aboMbokazi. Bafethu siyele ukuyodliwa le. Siyele ukuyodliwa. Straight siyele ukuyodliwa. Abo-Helman Mkhelele, mina mangithi ngiyayibheka abafuni ukuhlulwa i-generation yamanje abo-Helman Mkhelele. Bafuna silokho si-compare iBafana Bafana yango-95, yango-95 ukuthi yawina i-AFCON, yini i-AFCON? Hhayi man, ezinye izinto bafethu yazi abantu abasibhlokhayo siyi-youth yase-South Africa sibhlokhwa yila bantu abanabo-50 bala e-South Africa. Abafuni ukurithaya, abafuni ukuresign emsebenzini, ba-block i-young talent. They are making sure ukuthi awubi rich ukudlula bona. Ba-compare i-career yakaSaleng ne-career yabo ukuthi thina the time sidlalela i-Pirates besidlalela ibheji besingadlaleli imali. Baba, mawunabantwana ungabasapota ngebheji ye-Pirates? Sicaleni lapho. Mawunabantwana ungabasapota ngebheji ye-Pirates na? Ngitsheleni ukuthi ibheji ye-Pirates mawuna-4 yama-twin uyawasapota lama-twin? Angeke, you need money. Isikhathi sango-95 namanje asifani. Ngo-95 bengingamnika umuntu i-100,000, 100,000 for 5 years ukuthi le mali uzoyidla for 5 years. Angathenga imoto nge-100,000, ngithenge izindlu, athenge abafazi, alobole, ashade, bengeke iphele. Manje mawuzongipha ungiholisa 18,000, meanwhile nginabantwana ngihlala e-townhouse, nginomama, nginobaba, nginey'koloto efanele ngiy'bhadale, ayi. Mawusengithi mina ngifuna ukuhamba ngiyothola i-team ezongibhadala 250,000, uyakwata, uyangi-blackball, awufuni ngidlale kuBafana Bafana. Phela bafethu hayi ukuthi aboSaleng abadlali no-Lorch kuBafana Bafana ngoba uHugo Broos akabafuni, you don't understand. You don't understand. Hugo Broos has to follow the orders only. If Hugo Broos angacala ambize uLorch or uSaleng, uzobona singaya ku-World Cup angekho uHugo Broos. Singaya ku-World Cup sekaqoshiwe. Angithi kunama-football mafias angafuni ukubona la bafana bahola imali eningi. Bafuna ukubona kuhlezi kuwuMbokazi othola imali every day. And fanele sikhulume ngayo lento bafethu ukuthi i-Pirates is hyping abafana just to sell them, overprice them bafethu. Not because they deserve to be hyped. It's hyping them because ifuna ukuthengisa njengoMbokazi bamnike ama-belt. Yes. So uwina ama-man of the match, wina ama-man of the match. Bafunani? Ukuthi mabamthengisa bamthengise ngemali enhle. But the time uMbokazi azothi akafuni, uzobona bazomjikela ngayo yonke into bayomjikela. Yabo. Ayikho grand le nto bayenzayo ku-Ivan Khoza lapha ku-Pirates, ayikho grand. Yazi uzobona ngelinye ilanga ukuthi le ntwana zizojabula njani, zizoze ziphoste the time kuyenzeka something engekho grand, zizoze ziphoste ukuthi we are free now, we are free. Ngiyanitshela ningathi anginitshelanga. Danko bafethu, comment-ani bafethu, sikhulume iciniso bafethu. Abo-Saleng, abo-Lorch, amajita wala e-South Africa. You can't ukuthi uvalele ama-South African uyi-South African. Sikhala nge-A_N_C ngapha sesikhala ngama-owner wama-team. And ba-rich la bantu ungazi ukuthi hhayi umuntu aba-greedy, umuntu omnyama hhayi, hhayi suka. Danko bafethu, please like, share, subscribe to my channel bafethu for more truth. I'll be coming ngama-video wama-10 minutes manje. Danko.